How to check and top up your oil. To avoid expensive damage and potentially breaking down, you should check your oil level regularly and make sure you keep it topped up. Check your car's manual for the right type of oil for your make and model. For instance, 5W30 or 10W30. Here's our step-by-step guide on how to check and top up your oil. Please remember this is a guide and your car might have different fixtures or fittings to the one in the video. Step 1. Make sure your car's parked on level ground and the engine's been off for at least an hour. Step 2. Open the bonnet and find the dipstick. A lot of dipsticks have an orange or yellow handle, but if you're not sure where yours is, check your car manual. Step 3. Pull out the dipstick and wipe off any oil with a cloth. Step 4. Put the dipstick back in the tube. Let it sit for a minute and then remove again. Step 5. There will be 2 marks on the dipstick, which are the minimum and maximum oil levels. If the oil is below the minimum mark, you need to add oil. If it's below the halfway point, it's a good idea to top up anyway. Step 6. Find the oil cap on your engine. It's usually marked with an image of an oil can. Step 7. Remove the cap and pour in oil a little at a time, checking the level with the dipstick to make sure you don't pour in too much. If you overfill the engine with oil, it can damage your car. Step 8. Once you've got the right amount, replace the dipstick and oil cap. Clear up any oil spills before closing the bonnet. Admiral isn't responsible for any damage or loss caused as a result of the advice in this video.